Hello friend, welcome back. In our all previous video, I have already discussed about all that basic fundamental of React.js. So now together all that basic fundamental experience we will convert one HTML theme to the React.js. So it will be very much interactive friend. So for education purpose right now that is our color lab. Into the color lab area they have one of the HTML theme as a personal portfolio. So for education purpose I'm actually using it. So here that is one of the HTML site. I want to convert it from to the HTML to the React.js. Like here if you want to download it, it's totally free, one of the theme, so you can download it from here, rather than if you want to check the preview you can check it from to this position. Like I just open it, I just close it. So now here you can see that is also one of the clean and very beautiful one of the HTML site, right? So that is a lot of the functionalities on here. There is our header part, there is our footer part, and there is also different type of page, like that is the about us page, and you can see there is all that HTML page, and when you click as the about us page then this page is loaded, and if you click at the service you can see this page is loaded. So now I want to convert it from to the HTML to the React.js, and when it will be converting to the React.js, then as I told you before, that will be as a single page application, right? That means only one first time that will be loaded, and after that every page when you redirect it to the portfolio page, without loading that page it will be redirected to the portfolio, right? And also there is a page for the blog, so that is our blog page. So that is all that HTML static data, and also they have the blog details page. So that is a blog details page, we will also convert it. Okay, so that is our contact page. So they have some of the HTML page. Right now I want to convert it and make the things totally into the React.js. Then it will be as a single page application. That means the first time this page will be loaded, rest of this time when you click as a about, service, portfolio, and the blog details, the contact, every time it will be loaded, every our component without loading that page, right? So how can do that work step by step I will show you. So friend, if you well understand about how can convert any HTML site to the React.js, then you can choose any kinds of HTML site, whatever the site you will choose from here. There is all that basic, some of the free theme, so you can choose any theme and you can convert it as per your demand. So right now I just choose one of the theme from to the color lab. So if you want to download some of the theme, that means the HTML theme from to the theme forest, and if you want to convert it to the HTML to the React.js, I think after end of this session you will be well understand about it, right? So that will be very much interactive, one of the things. So here first of all you have to actually download it. So I have already downloaded and I save it in your exercise folder. Into the exercise folder I have created another folder as a HTML theme, and here you can see you will get this type of one of the zip folder. So right now first of all you have to extract it. So I just simply extract it on here, and then that is all that our HTML file. So now if you open that index.html, so now I just simply open it. Now you can see that is our index file. So that is our total HTML static, all the data. So now step by step from to the scratch we will actually convert it HTML to the React.js, right? So right now we don't need this, so I just simply remove it, and that is our portfolio. So I think that is actually a link. From here you can download it. Okay, so right now I just simply remove it. So now first of all we have to create one of the project for this. So friend, don't worry, step by step everything will be more clear to you. So right now first of all if you go to that doc, and I have already discussed about that things with you. If you want to create new application, that is our create new app, and here you can see if you want to create new application, first of all you have to run it, and that will be your project name, right? So now I want to do, if you go to our exercise file, so here before I have created one of the project as a React HTML. So now I want to do in particular that area I want to open our CMD, and now I want to create one of the projects. So if you want to create one of the project, then you have to copy it, rather than you can also write down it as a npx create app, and then your app name. So now I just simply paste it on here. So now I want to create one of the project name. I want to create one of the project name, and I just name it as a convert. Okay, I just name it as a convert, right? So now if you click as a enter, so now it will be created one of the folder as a convert, that will be our project name, right? So friend, it may take little time. So better when it will be done, then I will come back again. So now here you can see, friend, our project is now successfully installed. And when it's successfully installed, here you can see it's now created one of the folder as a convert. So that is our convert folder, and that is our all that file, right? So now we have to actually redirect it to our this folder area. That means this convert area. So as I told you before, so you can see there is a change directory, that means a CD, and then our this, that is actually our project folder. So now I want to redirect it to our this folder area. So if you want to redirected it, then you have to write down as a CD, that means the change directory, and then our convert, that means our folder name. Click as a enter. Right now you can see if we are perfectly converted to our this folder area. So here we will need our route, right? So we will need our route. So if you want to use that route, as I told you before, they have the two type of one of the route. One is React DOM for the web application, another is for our React Native for the mobile application, right? So now if you want to search it, here if you search with our React, that is a React Router DOM, that is a React Router DOM. Here you can see that they have some of the link, and also they have another link as a React Router DOM, the React Router. So right now I open it. So in fundamental, I have already discussed about that things with you. So that is for the web, and also there is another one for the native, right? So native is for our mobile application, and web application is our router DOM, right? So that is our web application. I want to convert it. That is our HTML site. So right now we will work with our this web, that means the React Router DOM. So first of all, here we have to install it, right? So we have to install it. That is our React Router DOM. So we have already created one of the project, and also we have changed our directory. So now that is our another portion. So right now we will flow it again. So in fundamental, I have already discussed about that things with you. Right now I want to install that npm install React Router DOM. So if you want to install it, so I have already changed that directory. So I have already changed it. So now here I want to paste it as a npm install React Router DOM. So now I want to install it. Click as a enter. So now here you can see it's now downloaded all that file, and it's now install it in our system. That means in our project file. So friend, it may also take little time. So better when it will be done, then I will come back again. So friend, here you can see we successfully also install our React Router DOM, right? So now we can actually use it. That means now we can actually use that our router. We can import, we have to import it, and that is our link we have to update, and then also here we have to add our all that route. So step by step everything I will show you. So first of all, here right now I want to run our project. So here if you want to run it, then what exactly you have to do? You have to make the things as a npm start, right? That is a npm start. So now if you click as a enter, then it should be created our server. That means it should be run our server. So now you can see our server is now running. So that is our server port as a local host 3000. So that is our total project, right? So that means we successfully install our React. So that is actually our server is now perfectly running. So we successfully compiled it. Our compile is now successful. So that is our project. So now I want to actually take this project folder. That means I want to take this folder, that is a convert folder, to our Visual Studio Code editor. So now I just simply open it, and that is our exercise folder. And into the exercise folder, here you can see that is actually our project I have created as a convert, right? Now I just click as a select folder. So now our project is now perfectly added in our Visual Code editor. Here you can see that is all that our SRC. I have already discussed about that things with you. That is our public, that is a public HTML, that is our app.js, right? So also if you go to that our package.json, into the package.json, here you can see there is a convert. So that is our that is a package I have been already installed. I have already installed that React 16.13.1 version, and that is the React DOM. So we successfully install it, right? That is our 16.13.1, and that is a React Router DOM. We have installed it. So everything will get in particular that area. Whatever the package you will install, automatically it will be added in our this package.json area, right? So I have already discussed about that things with you friends. So now we successfully install that React.js, and also we successfully install our React DOM. That means React Router DOM, right? So now we are ready to go. So in our next video, I will show you how you can manage your all the T8 router for our this project. That means here I want to convert this HTML site and I want to convert it to the React.js. So how can do that work step by step, everything I will show you with the live example. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.